Hey friends, we're gonna cook a pineapple juice cake. I usually do this in a bundt pan, but tonight we're gonna do it in a 9 by 13. So I'll show you what I do. So first of all, you're gonna start off with 1 box of pineapple cake mix. Do 1 box of instant vanilla pudding. 4 eggs, 3/4 cup of oil, and I drained the pineapple juice off of it because you're going to need this for the glaze. But this is a 20-ounce can of crushed pineapple. And a teaspoon of vanilla. I'm going to mix this up and I'll be right back. Okay, I got it mixed up real good. We're going to put it in a greased 9 by 13. We'll put it in the oven for about 30 minutes on 350. All right, so while the cake's cooking, we're gonna make the glaze for it. So we're gonna start out with a 1/2 cup of the pineapple juice we got off the pineapple. One and a half cups of powdered sugar. And a teaspoon of vanilla. Just gonna whisk it till it's smooth and everything's melted. Okay, so that's what the glaze looks like. I let it come to a slight boil and everything melted. And when the cake gets ready, we'll pour it on top. Okay, so I took my cake out, cooked about 30 minutes on 350. You can see it's good and brown on the top. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a toothpick and I'm just gonna poke holes all in it. I don't want anything much bigger than a toothpick because it makes the cake ugly. But these holes will fill up. Okay. So I took, this is my mixture glaze that I made. We're just going to take and we're going to pour it all over the cake. Let it just soak in. Just kind of move the sides in, let it soak down in the bottom. And it's very important to let this cake sit until all this glaze has soaked into it. All right, y'all, the cake has cooled off and it soaked up all of that pineapple juice sugar mixture. So we're gonna cut a piece. See what it looks like. If y'all never tried this, you need to give it a shot, because it's good. All right, so y'all, it was 1 box of pineapple cake mix, 1 3.4 ounce box of vanilla pudding, 4 eggs, 3/4 cup of oil, 1 can of crushed pineapple drained, and you save the juice. And we mixed that up, baked it on 350 for about 30 minutes until a toothpick come out clean. And then the glaze was the rest of the juice, which should be about 1/2 cup, 1.5 cups of powdered sugar, and a dash of vanilla. And just cook it until everything's dissolved. When the cake comes out, poke holes in it with a toothpick and pour that glaze over it. When it cools, it's ready. I hope y'all enjoy it.